Okay. Which one do you want to play with me?
This one.
Okay. Let's play together. No, Jean, you can't play with this because I'm playing first. No, Jean,
Flower. I have flower.
no, I finished it first. Jean still has. Jean, I finished it. Jean, I finished it all. Jean, I finished la 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 boo boo. Jean, look. Jean,
Wow.
I finished la 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 ba ba. Jean, can I have noodles? Jean, later you can do this. Now this way you'll do. Now this. No.
I think, Mimi, we need to use pencil. Like this. This is good. I like this, you know. See? Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Miga love, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Tayo po ay sino ba yung iba, oy? Ruby rice. Mag-ruby rice. Oh, big eyes. Why the eyes is very big?
No, it's not big. It's too small. Here?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I make smaller. Why is it so big and no teeth? Okay. Papa.
What is that, Mimi?
Papa Hero.
Oh.
No superhero.
Superhero. Superhero. Superhero.
Superhero!
Superhero.
Superhero. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Ngingay ng aking alaga, no? Ayan. Si hi to hi to Auntie Bunso. Ayan. Auntie Bunso! Si hi. 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 See? Bunso ganda. Buti hindi nagsusumbong ate. Magsumbong man yan siya. Kahit nandito yung niya. Ganito man ako. Wag lang kakanta kasi siyempre pagkakanta ka hindi mo siya masyado maalagaan pagkanta ka. Pero pag ganito lang, okay lang yan sila nagla-live ka. Nagpaano naman ako dito, Bunso, kasi gusto ko nang umuwi. Ayaw nila akong pauwiin. Agay. Ang ganda. Huy, see? She said, you are beautiful, see? You are beautiful. Oh, you are beautiful. Oh. You don't want to say thank you?
Plaster, G.
You don't want to say thank you?
Plaster.
No need plaster, oy.
No.
Plaster.